Hello guys, today I'm going to introduce you a small, software which is called Putty. Actually, it is the small software that most of the engineers they know. I mean, all of them they know, but I just want to introduce to some of the students that they don't know or have no idea about it. So I'm going to tell you that this software is used for a telnet, doing a telnet ASH, or you're doing serial, you know, using the console, you know, to the networking device, of course. So you can download the Putty in Google. You just type Putty here, you know, and just go to the first link. And you can see this. You can download any software that is matched to your PC. But I have downloaded, so I just you know open it directly. I just type Putty here. This is the GUI of the Putty. You can see the Putty configuration. You can doing many configurations such as the terminal here, the keyboard, the feature, but I just ignore about it. So I have, if you don't have the real software, I also have the uh, a website that is provide the, how can I say, this is the online device. I'm not sure that this is the real device or the virtual, but this is you have to you can go to the sharontoolhere.com and you can see a bunch of the router here, which have plenty of topology here. Yeah, we can have we have the Juniper, we have the Cisco, doing OSPF, EIGRP, something like that. Then this is the for example, if you want to access to one of the device, just go to, just remember the name here and just go to the, first of all, like 7200 here. So maybe this one, maybe we want to access to Cisco here. Let's just connect here. All fine, got Cisco. Okay. All right, and then you this is the IP host here. Just do it a practice, okay? Uh, just copy this. Actually, this is the IP address, but in this case, it uses it as domain. So I'm going to type this domain here, and we use the port 23, the telnet, and just click the telnet here, and then just click open, and you will see this. Okay, a little bit slow. Okay, you can see that I have logged in into the command line here, and I have to type, username password here. As you can see that this is the username here is the lab, and the password is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Wait, okay, so I have to type lab, and password is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, I have to log in, and it's a little bit slow, my internet. Just wait. Okay, and then we're going to show you like a bunch of the device that you want to access. So I'm going to enter my choice. So I want to access to router Cisco R5. It's going to be 15. So let's just type 15 here. Okay, and it's going to ask me for the Cisco password here. Just click here, the show password, which is the, okay, wait, okay, this one is 1 2 0 here, 1 4 4 and 0, and I hit enter here, and the password is okay. Yeah, right now I can access to the Cisco Alpha here. I can show, a little bit slow IP interface brief here. Yeah, and yeah, I get, I get to the IP address, show IP route, so slow. Okay, I get a, EIGRP here, and you can monitor a lot of things on the real device here. If you don't have the real one, you can go into their website and try the Putty here, or you can install the GNS3 AVNG, etc. But this one is the online. You don't have to use a resource, just use the your internet to access to the router on the cloud there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much.